So I need another chain, as I told you in other videos. This is trashed. So I gotta focus. But I did a lot of biking by the ocean, and wasn't enough oil on it, and it's definitely not pretty anymore, to say the least. Works, but you know, I'm going for the aesthetic, and I would like a new change because I think it actually has like a little slack in it, or there's a kink or something. Anyways, KMC is the one I always get. Usually holds me down. And I was walking around, and over here sees we got the cap on everywhere. And I was looking at this box. I was like, oh, they got a 1-speed. And I kept looking. I was like, does that say KMC right there? Opened it, and sure as hell, yeah, KMC makes their change. Right there, as you can see. And it was like only €9 versus Amazon was going to be like 13, including shipping. So yeah, but the problem is I'm not sure if it's long enough. This is a 99 link plus one. So I might have to return it for that. I asked if I could return it. They said yeah. So we'll see. But if I do get a smaller chain ring, it will fit. So there's also that. So, but let's install this thing. Up a little bit. And you can see I don't have my the correct pliers, so we're gonna try to pop it off like this. I hate these versions of these quick releases. I think this is the non-reusable ones, and always a pain for me. Oh, there we go. Shit went over here somewhere. Fuck it. Old one. But they are strong though. Let's see. Oh, first thing too, before you put it on, make sure you wipe down all the shit from the last one. behind the crank arm. So much grime from the oil. I'm gonna also try waxing this chain the next time. See what happens. I'm tired of all the grime. All right, let's see. I have a feeling this might be too short though. Too short. About 2 rings. Something. Quick release though. Damn, homie. So close. I don't think it's necessary to try. Can't get it. Ah, fuck. Oh well. Gotta get another one. Maybe try to put the other one back on for now. Part of the game, baby. Doesn't always work. Back to the store. But good to know though. They do have KMC chains, at least to 9/9 length. And for me, it's always hard to find the polished chain. It's always that there's like one that's treated with something to help it from prevent rusting. It looks like trash though. But this is my one I like the best. It just too short. Next. You know, I just noticed something. I was cleaning, about to put the old chain back on. Because I think I'm actually going to keep the new chain. Because I do plan to go to a 50th tooth chain ring. So I was cleaning this off. As you see, this is like the beat up side. This is the best you can do. But the reverse side is actually not so bad. So I think I'm going to do real quick is go upstairs, soap this up real quick. Clean it off, degrease it, take the quick release from this one and put it on this chain, keep it moving for right now until I get the 50 tooth, and I think that's just all my problems. But yeah, it's not just, I don't know, it's crazy. I thought both sides are beat up. I had no idea that this side is seemingly okay. And when I degrease it, it should be a little bit better. Good for me. Alright, let's put this thing back. Make sure the correct side is showing. There we go. Whatever, dump it. Anyways, let me get a quick link. So this is my preferred, like I love this. Like this version. Usually this one goes right over very easy. The other one's like tough. And then you just put the like C-clip, E-clip, whatever you want to call it. See, goes over so easy. This, slide over it, simple, or like this. Go over the first one. There. Shit. Give me that screwdriver there. Trying to jam my hand to death. Sweet. Oh, chain back on. Line up that rear wheel. Same with your hand, check again. Put it on this side. Chain tension's nice. And definitely get like these fixed gear bolts because they dig in and don't move the chain so much when you tension it. But you always want to hold the wheel to keep it straight as possible if you can. A little bit here. A little bit here. Check your line, good to go. And then I usually like to flip it over and finish. Just because you get so much better leverage. I mean, if you have a bike stand, yeah. Sweet. Well, a little bit of bike maintenance today. But, as you can see, chain is so much cleaner on this side. Almost like brand new essentially, so good to go for a while. And there's a little quick link so you can tell like the color of the new one versus the old one. It's pretty similar, good enough. Now, move on to my girl's bike to fix her brake cable. Almost forgot, oil. I always put too much of this crap on, so I'm just gonna put like a little bit. But this is the way I like to do it, just a couple, like almost drag it a little bit. Super lightly press. And then just work it. Like that's all I'm gonna put. Otherwise, everything just turns black and oily. Like you can see my sneaker. You know the deal. So this is exactly what I want to try waxing. The chain, not my crotch. So I'm gonna try to put on the next chain. And check. So You know it's through. Check. Cleans part of this towel. Now, you be careful when you do this. You go slow. You can get your hand caught in this shit. And I've seen fingertips cut off or whatever. So I'm on the opposite side of the gear, so I have time. If my finger gets caught a little bit, I can stop it. Don't do it up here, because it depends on which way you spin it. But I'm just going to reverse so the bike doesn't, go in gear. So I like to wipe the oil as much as possible. Chain ring is already like oily and nasty. 2 seconds, even though we cleaned it. So, yeah. Okay, done deal. Time to go ride. See ya. Alright, so this is a great example of what happens when you over tighten the bolt, which I'm guilty of. I'll be trying to get my girl to make sure she checks over the bike over and over, hasn't been really working well. So I was checking over her bike every once in a while. I saw this and it pulls right off. So this is the danger of over tightening this bolt. This could slip through eventually, whatever. It's still tight, but there you go. So this is what happens when you over tighten. So I'm just gonna replace that, and that's the last little maintenance for today. And get it popping. Make sure she's good. Front brake, absolutely fine. As you can see, I just need to put a little cap on it. There you go. It's been like that forever. So just the back brake over tighten. Make sure you watch out for that. Something I like about cables when you buy them is this cable with the 2 different types of ends. Let me see if you can see it. So this is one cable. So these are always great to have because they have 2 different connections. As you can maybe see, there you go. So I got like the barrel on the right side, and then like your whatever on the left side. I forgot what it's called, it's regular. So these are always great to have just in case, you never know. So you don't have to decide. Just cut one side off and put it in. And we're good to go. Make sure y'all check over your bikes every once in a while for sure. Check for loose cranks, pull on it, tug on it, make sure everything's loose, not loose, tight, and all that. Gotta do it. Just to, keep your safety, your loved ones, check over their bike. Other than that, happy riding. Enjoy your day.